Page 13, Lavender's Blue. This is the Primo part, or the top part of the Duet. I'll go through the routine and let's see what we get. Now look it over, it's about a page long. We have treble and treble clef now. Both stabs are treble clef. No sharps or flats in the key signature. We're either in the key of C major or A minor, because those are the keys with no sharps or flats. If we look at the end, we're here. It's a C chord. I'm guessing we're in C major. But make sure you do the scale for C major and A minor, 1 octave up and down. And 3/4 time signature. Now the first line is all rests, empty, because the bottom part is playing by itself on the first line. So let's start with the second line. One hand at a time, make sure we have the fingering okay. Now there's an 8 above the staff with the dash line, the 8VA thing. Remember, that means when it's above the staff, you go up. In the previous lesson, we had it below the staff, we went down. But here we go up, and it's only the staff it's next to. So here, the right hand, instead of here, it's up here. Play it all up here. 1, 2, 3, 1, and. Reach up a little bit. We didn't really move. You leave the thumb there because you need that C again in the next line. So we do that. That's pretty much it for the right hand. Left hand, let's see what it's up to. It has a 2 here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2. Isn't this fun? Okay, not much going on there. Put the hands together. So what do we get? We're here, and then here, and then here, and here. So I go through it very slowly and carefully, and I put the hands together. And then I go back through it however many times I need to and work out the hesitations. Remember, we don't want hesitations anytime. But when you're playing with other people, it becomes even more important, because if you hesitate, you mess them up. If they hesitate, they mess you up. Nobody can hesitate. Shouldn't hesitate anyway, so okay. Then we add in the articulation. Now they have the phrase mark above the staff, the curved line. And it looks like each line is a phrase. It just works out that way. So you're going to connect the line. At the end of the line, you lift up like taking a breath. So at the end of the second line, you hear, before I go to the next line, we lift up. So there's just a little bit of silence. I'm going to do that at the end of each of those lines. The left hand, I'm going to connect it. So at the end of the second line, I'm here. I'm going to lift up here, but I'm going to connect that here. Same thing at the end of the third line here. I'm going to, well, the left hand just doesn't play. Otherwise, I'm connecting the left hand all the way through, except for the rest. Then the dynamics. P is piano for soft, and that's the right hand, that's melody. Whatever you think soft, not super soft. Don't go too soft, because you got somebody playing down here. They will drown you out. So it's soft. The right hand can be very soft. You're staying there pretty much to the third line. You're going to go up, so the last line you're loud. The last line you're loud. Now going from soft to loud, you plan it out. Here you can kind of do it a measure at a time. So that fourth line, soft, stay soft. Now go up to moderately soft. Now moderately loud. Now you're loud. I did it just like a measure at a time. And a retard onto at the end to slow down. Speed, again, a leisurely stroll. Well, just strolling along, nice and gentle, no hurry. Please don't copy me. You feel the music. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Feel these. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any louds and softs. I'm just going to play the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts, and because the first line is empty, we're going to start on the second line. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, off. Now let's do the duet. I'll play page 12, and you play what we just played. Speed it up a little bit, and keep in mind you don't come in until the second line, so you gotta wait for 4 measures before you come in. Otherwise it won't work. Now to keep this going, because I can't hear you, I can't stay with you, I'm gonna play quarter notes throughout, something, because I got a bunch of dotted half notes, and that doesn't work. So I'm going to make something up, so I'm playing something on the beat, on every beat. 1, ready, go.